computer wizards? It's Winman the Wizard here. And today we will be taking apart this IBM Thinkpad. Not a Lenovo, it's an IBM. See, it says, let me light. See, it says right there, if it'll focus. Oh my. Come on. I swear. This phone camera, I hate it. Yeah. Anyways. We wasted that much time. We're going to tear it down. I've never taken one of these apart before, so I honestly don't know anything about how these go together or come apart. But we're just going to assume. I'm wondering. Now, I don't know. We'll see. Because I haven't even found where the hard drive is. There's the RAM. Not sure what that is. I don't know if you can add video memory. That's what I was thinking. Like video memory, maybe? If the RAM will... My. Actually, I don't think that... Yeah, the RAM doesn't need to come out. The RAM's fine. Yeah, I guess this is supposed to be the hard drive screw right there. This is a pretty baseline model ThinkPad too. Doesn't have infrared. It's pretty... Yeah, this has got to be the hard drive. Now if we can just get it out without breaking something. And denting up the plastic. Oh, well, isn't that a clever design? Now look at that, that's actually a Seagate drive. I thought it'd be some kind of travel server, but wow, it's pretty cool. That's a cool design. But yeah, anyways, we've just got to take the keyboard off here, and yeah, we just got to take the keyboard off and find where I just set that screw like a genius. Because my attention span's 7 seconds long. Oh my gosh. I literally... Well, I guess I'll be back when I find the screw. Okay, I'm back. I found it. It's next to the screwdriver. I just grabbed a hard drive magnet though to make my life a million times easier. See here if this will come out. Come on. Hard drive magnets for the win. The screwdriver sticks to it. I don't know if I'm gonna have to... Oh, that's really dark. See, I hope there's not... I don't assume there's... rubber pad or screws underneath the rubber pads. I don't see why there would be. Should have really looked up the service manual for this. I may have to do that actually, because I'm pretty. Oh yeah, that reminds me. We need to take out the removable drive here. You just pull this little tab, and it's an LG drive. The date of manufacture is around in 2000. Yeah, July of 2002. It's a 2001 laptop, so this must have been one of the last models of the 01. Well, last models for the 01s. I don't know a lot about ThinkPads, I'm going to be completely honest. But that's a screw there. Probably void the warranty. If, well, yeah, oh no, I'm going to void the warranty. Oh no. No one cares. That warranty is quite literally worthless, considering it expired probably 5 years after this was built. Like 2008. Gosh darn. One moment. I gotta set this down. Finish taking these screws out. Let's see here. Just, I don't know. Lean it that way or something. Anyways. And I don't even remember what I was saying now. You know? Quality content. Right here. quality freaking content, guys. This is just quicker than me holding the camera. I think we all are competent on taking screws out. I mean, at least I hope we are. If you're not, well, I'm sorry. You're out of luck. I hope the processor's on one side or the other. I don't have to take apart the whole entire computer just to get to the CPU. It's gonna stink. But on a shelf I have to. Okay. Got that. Now for our little, see here if I have a razor handy and convenient. Gosh darn, I may, oh, well hello. I'm gonna need a screwdriver. What the heck? There's not a screw there. Well, okay. Stick that there. Check for any more screws. Oh, yep. One more. Looks like the heatsink too. Hopefully this can handle it. The CPU I'm going to put in here is going to be a Pentium 3. I'll show that here in a minute as soon as we get the back off. Maybe. I feel like the back doesn't ever want to come off. Okay. Let's see here. So, I believe if I open the screen, the keyboard, there we go. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Keyboard comes right out. Now I gotta turn it so I can see how it comes out, because I don't feel like breaking this keyboard. What the heck? So yeah, here's the inside of this. I'll set this down again. Let's see here. Looks like, oh, yep, just one ribbon cable. That's pretty nice. And so it's literally, it's pretty cool. Whoops, laptop's a little lightweight now. It's just one big assembly. This battery, I believe, is dead, so we will be changing this while we're here too. Now, hopefully, if we're lucky. Wait a minute. Ooh, we might have just hit the jackpot, guys. We will just have to take the top off. Yay. Oh, that's going to be so much easier than taking the bottom off. Get the screw out of there. Let's see. I think this thing can come off. Let's see. I have to look this up. I don't want to break this laptop. Well, let's see. That pops off, which I guess is a good sign. It wants to pop off. Is it like... Oh, sweet. It just comes out if you get the thing in the right position. There. Oh, perfect. So let's see here. The only thing it looks like I have to take out to get the rest of the top off, because literally all I have to do is take off the screen now. So 2 screws. Oh, good. Oh, they blocked the camera. And these are really tight screws, so I'm gonna grab a bit. I'll come back when I've got the screen off and everything. I thought that was weird. Yeah, there's another 2 screws, so I'll get these out. Just figured I'd mention. Okay, so the top is now off, and we will just proceed to take take off these heatsink screws and we will get the Celeron out. And we will make this a real computer. Probably something UXW Bill would say, honestly. Now for a second it looked like there's plastic on top of that, but no, there's not. And it does not look like. Okay, just take this off. Here, put that there. Take that off. Okay. Yeah, this is honestly the fastest I've ever disassembled. They really did. They built these so good. If I didn't hear. Look at that thermal paste. Ew. Hold on. Let's take this off. What the crap kind of thermal grease is that? That's nasty. Like, there's not even any on this. No. I mean, that's a thermal pad, obviously, but really, guys. That is bad, though. Now I need a screwdriver. Set that down. Do I have something? I hope I have something to open the... there we go. Okay. Here we go. CPU is open. August 17th of 2002. So you get that. Perfect. Okay, I will go grab the Pentium. Okay, here's the Pentium 3 we'll be putting in. This is a Pentium 3M 1.2 titanium processor. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And, well, let's see if this fits. Yeah. Hope this thing works, too. Got it off of eBay. I don't honestly know if it does. Well, fits in the socket at least. That's a good sign. I did order the right one then. Phone overheated. I apologize. I hope you heard about the Pentium 3 fitting and yeah. Well, while I was gone, I just went ahead and cleaned off whatever was on here with some 91% rubbing alcohol. And well, I have this stuff, which is actually pretty nice. It's that Arctic Silver cleaner stuff. And I'm just going to put it on this stupid, whatever this is, thermal pad thing. I don't know. It's crap, though, I know that. Well, it's going to die. So in 30 seconds or so, it should be ready to wipe off. But while we're at it, wow, plastic's in good shape. I think we'll take out the battery here, maybe. I think this has a fairly, actually, I think it was keeping the time. I don't remember though. I'll use this razor here. Just I'll use this screwdriver. What the heck? I hate batteries like this. They're annoying. What the heck? I can't get the battery out. Well, okay, we'll mess with that in a minute. That should be ready now. Grab a paper towel here. Ugh. I need a tripod and a real camera badly. But I'm too poor. Well, what in God's name? I'm really... I'm like so there wasn't even thermal. There wasn't even thermal. Ah, darn it. There wasn't even thermal paste on the CP. Like, what the heck? What kind of bull is this? Oh, I put some 90%. Well, no. It was thermal paste of some sort, because I'm getting some off, but what the crap? What kind of thermal paste is this? Well, let's see here. Let's put a little surface purifier after I scratch that up. Good Lord. Yeah, it's all scratched now. It's nasty. And the worst part is, I find this absolutely stupid. Whoever, you know what? I'm not going to get angry about it. Just going to use some good thermal paste, put it on there, it'll do its job. Got this bag. I think this one too has just a little left in it. I don't remember. Okay. Probably a little too much, but it'll get the job done. I mean, look at this little, I mean, it runs cool. A little rubbing alcohol left on that. Just wipe off the dust there. We'll put this back down. If I can remember how it goes. And we'll just push that down. And then we'll pull that out. Yep. Thermal paste is going to spread evenly. Just plug back in the fan and we're good to go. Maybe. What? Okay, I'm mentally off because oh, there we go. I couldn't get the fan in the connector. So, I will be back when I have this together, and we'll turn her on, test her out. Hey, time for a boot test. I gotta get this battery back in. Looks awful, but wire tape wasn't holding it together, so duct tape did the job. Just need to, I don't need anything else, and I'll just put the keyboard here on. Okay, and bring up the screen. Okay, let's see. Will it boot? Oh, yay! Processor's good. It just doesn't have a hard drive. There we go. Intel Pentium 3 Mobile.